Welcome back everybody. So in this video I am making a bowl which I am calling the Doppler Effect. So I'm just marking out here for the mortise. Alright, and now we're going to start off using the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tool, and we're going to turn it to shape. Alright. Now we're going to switch to the bottom, and we're going to go in with the mid-size detailer just to define where the mortise is going to go. And there's the number 1 hole rod just to clean it all out. And the mid-size rougher just to flatten everything off. And back to the detailer just to match the angle of the jaws. Okay, so I've already done most of the sand, so I'm just going to sand up to 240 grit here. Get it compressed there. And take some flame to it. I'm just going to scorch it now just to raise the grain a little bit. And we're going to go back with a little bit more sandpaper and just take off some of the darker spots. There we go. More compressed there. Okay, we've got some black intrinsics here from Hampshire Sheen. Dried quite quick as the wood was still pretty warm from the scorching. Dry it even more now with a bit of friction and some paper towel. Okay, so we're going to seal that staining with some pre-thin cellulose sanding sealer. I'm going to give it a couple of coats here. There's obviously the first one. And there is the second. Here's some white embellishing paste wax from Hampshire Sheen. Gonna wipe that all over.
When you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
Okay, now we're going to buff that in around about 1000 to 1200. There we go. And some Hampshire Sheen wax there. If anybody's interested in some Hampshire Sheen products that I've used in this video, there will be a link down below. Just put it on nice and slowly, just for some nice even coverage. And then we go to around about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in, building up the heat, obviously not pushing too hard to wipe the wax off. And there we go, there's the bottom or the outside of the bowl finished. And now we're going to turn to the inside or the top of the bowl now. So we're going to go in with the number 1 hollower or the CI5. Love how this heats the wood. Okay, now we're swapping to the mid-side finisher. You can take out any ridges or bumps that may have occurred. And finishing off up on the rim. Alright, so now we're going to be sanding up to 240 here. Bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Bit of sanding sealer. Quite thirsty, this bit of wood. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. There will be links down in the description if you wish to purchase any of this. it in around about 500 to 600 RPMs until you get a clean paper towel. And then you are done, and you get the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There you go. And then finally some more Hampshire sheen. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Share it your friends, share it your family, and share it your enemies if you like. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. And until the next one, I'll see you later. Bye bye for now.